Hi, here's Elsa. Welcome to my channel. Next is my interview. Even if my interview is not interesting enough, please don't move. Because at the end of the show, I will have a Chinese cooking dumplings. Maybe your stomach will be interesting. I've been working at Liaoning about 1 year, and during the 1 year, I focused on the projects just like warehouse, workshops, and car washing. Here's one of my clients, and he has something to say to me.
Dear Elsa, your words are clearly honest, and come from your pure heart. I thank you for your beautiful words about me, which reflect exactly the respect and appreciation I have for you, for your wonderful and sophisticated way of dealing with me, and for not being upset by my contradictory requests. I tell you the truth, you are the most important reason that made me insist on dealing with your company, despite the presence of other offers from Turkey, Egypt, and even other companies from your country.
One of my favorite projects is the car washing at Seychelles. It's really modern, and the design is really stands out. Cooking just like the process to help building, because every material, every step, you need to have your patient and carefully to choose the most good quality material. Then it will be the good dumplings. Building is an important thing. What we want you purchase from us, not only a building, but also with the purchase with happiness. And we will provide you with the warm-hearted service. We look forward to cooperation with you in the future.